How to reset YouTube recommendations. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about resetting your YouTube recommendations. So you need to address your search and watch history. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you have to go to youtube.com and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now click on the profile picture in the top right corner and then go to your data in YouTube. Scroll down to find your YouTube watch history and search history. Now to stop your history from affecting your recommendations, you can turn off your YouTube history. For that, click on over here and then go ahead and click on turn off. Alternatively, you can also delete it by clicking on see and delete activity option. You can choose to delete your history for always, last hour or last day, and to fully reset your recommendations, select always. After that, click on next and then confirm by clicking on delete. After deleting your watch history, return to the YouTube, and it may take some time, but this should help reset your recommendations. Keep in mind that your recommendations are also influenced by your subscriptions, so some videos may still appear based on what channels you are subscribed to. And I hope this helps. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.